across the doorstep, a shadow that moves, right rhythm towards you. Oh, how would I
Good afternoon, vlog. It is currently Friday the 16th. It is 12:50 and we're about to hit the road because this weekend we're going to J Peak for a ski weekend getaway. It's going to be super exciting and I am bringing you guys along. Let's get started. Also, I forgot to mention that I am the one driving because my mom's already there and me and my sisters were going to join her there. So I am responsible of the car, which I don't know if that's good news or bad news. I guess we'll see. It is currently 1:52, which means it has been an hour and we're still not on the road. As you can probably tell, I'm currently waiting in the parking lot for my sister. She went to buy stuff at the grocery store. So it is currently 3:53 and we just passed the border. Donald Trump is quaking. I still sound like a 50-year-old smoker. So obviously since I'm driving, I cannot film. So I'm asking my sister right now to film something for me. And I'll make a little artistic montage of it. Let's see how it turns out in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
what you say.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Oh woman, oh woman, oh.
So we have arrived and we've been stuffing our face in the free food at the lobby, which is always fun. Okay, so she's going back for like the 10th time.
Baby, it's been a while now since you called me, since you called me. Did you forget about us? As you found out about us? Let's face it, we're in trouble. It's not allowed here.
Feel like a creep. Less that you give, the more I want you.
Good morning, vlog. It is 7, like too early a.m. and I just woke up.
We ride this heartless road. Our kiss-our song on the radio. We fly, we flicker, float, turning upside.
So it's obviously later and we are eating dinner. So we are just gonna eat twice as much calories as we lost today by skiing. We're eating, if it's gonna focus, pizza, chicken wings, and a Caesar salad to feel less guilty. So it is currently 11:25 and I'm gonna go to bed. So tomorrow we will go skiing again, and then in the late afternoon we will be heading back to Montreal. So good night and see you tomorrow. Good morning vlog. Yeah, please don't mind this situation right here. It is 8:16 and we are about to head out the door to go for our second day of skiing. I think it snowed last night because according to my observation, if you look closely here on the balcony, there's a thin layer of snow. You can now call me the Weather Channel because I figured out that it snowed. My sister's trying to make her boomerang look nice.
Can you do it, please?
Yeah, I'll do it for her. You know, I'm the Instagram pro because I'm a social media influencer. Okay. So yeah, I'll just figure her boomerang out. Then we're heading out the door. We're going skiing. It's gonna be lit. Dab on them haters. It's every day, bro. Ooh, yeah.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye, but I've been waiting for you for my whole damn life, my whole lifetime.
So that's gonna be it for this vlog. I didn't film anything on the way back because I pretty much slept the whole ride. I wasn't driving, by the way, my mom was, so that's why I was sleeping. If you like this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. And hopefully, I pray to God, and I don't even believe in God, I will not look like this in my next video. And peace.
I don't wanna know, no, who's taking you home, 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 and loving you so.